Benny Master's Lecture, the 10th of the 16 Great Compassion Practices, Overcoming Stinginess and Greed. Dear friends in the Dharma, greetings. Today, we gather to study the 10th of the 16 Great Compassion Practices, Overcoming Stinginess and Greed. Stinginess locks our hearts, hinders our aspirations, and traps sentient beings in the suffering of unfulfilled desires. With great compassion, the Bodhisattva guides us to break free and achieve our goals. Let us explore how to eradicate stinginess with wisdom and open the path to liberation. 1. The harm of stinginess. Greed breeds fear. Sentient beings, driven by attachment to wealth, fear loss and thus cling tightly, refusing to act. They wish to grow rich but fear investment losses. They hope for a harvest but hesitate to buy seeds. They dream of building factories but worry about rapid technological change. Such stinginess renders aspirations futile and achievements unattainable. 2. The Bodhisattva's compassion, revealing the path to overcome greed. The Bodhisattva, seeing sentient beings tormented by stinginess, feels deep compassion. This suffering stems not only from material lack but also from spiritual stagnation. The Bodhisattva teaches, to overcome stinginess, we must shift our mindset and embrace giving. 3. Inspiration from example. Elon Musk's fearless giving. The Bodhisattva inspires us with worldly examples. Elon Musk, despite depleting his wealth multiple times and facing bankruptcy, fearlessly invested and ultimately created world-changing enterprises. His story reveals, stinginess obstructs progress while giving opens opportunities. By comparing the suffering of stinginess with the fruits of giving, wisdom dawns instantly. Letting go of stinginess allows us, like Musk, to transform crises into pathways to great achievements. Conclusion. Break stinginess, fulfill boundless aspirations. Dear friends, let us vow together. Eradicate stinginess, embrace fearless giving, and fulfill boundless aspirations. Thank you all. Namo Amitabha Buddha.